Hello everyone, my name is Brett Slansky and I'm martial arts instructor and also love doing business online and travel the world. And this video is going to be about intuition, how I do listen intuition. First of all, I do meditate every morning and every night before I go to sleep, and I just do this ritual every single day to be connected to higher spiritual levels. And I think that everyone has the power to really tap into the intuition, and if you are able to tap into this, you really will be able to make good decisions. Just because I feel that every time I feel good about something, then I really go for it. And if I feel that there will be a turmoil, then I will be like, maybe I will just wait and see how things will work out. So this is how it guides me. And for example, I have many messages, because I expect miracles every single day, and you should too. But for this type of video, I'm gonna share with you one that happened when I went with my fiancée to live about 3 months in China. We were actually going from Prague to Helsinki and from Helsinki to Xi'an. Now, in Helsinki, we were supposed to have 3 hours wait time before the airplane to China comes, right? So what I did is I brought a book with me about like learning how to speak Chinese. So I was studying it in the meantime. And I have no idea how it happened. It just, sometimes when you study or maybe when you're on computer, the time goes really fast, right? But you don't realize it. So I kind of thought that I was studying for just like half an hour, maybe max. But then there was this voice in my head that says, Brett, look around. So I start looking around and I see nobody is there. And now I got like this kind of like tunnel vision for a second, and I was like, what I'm going to do? I grabbed all my books, put it inside a backpack. My fiancée, she was working on the computer, so she also did not pay attention to the time. And I was like, hey, we have to go, really, let's run. So we ran towards the gate, and then there was these 2 stewardess. They were like, are you Brett and Kim? I said, yeah. I said, well, the airplane almost going to be leaving. We were like calling you everywhere. So we were like, oh, I'm so sorry. We did not really hear any announcement that we have to already come to the gate, just because we thought that we are here already for 30 minutes, and the time really passed so fast. So, in that time, I really thanked to my intuition that voice that told me really loud, Brett, look around. And I didn't need to have anything else, because that, all where people were supposed to sit just to go to the airplane, it was empty, really empty. So I was like, oh my God, thank you. Because if we would miss that plane, I had no idea how we would go to China. Or maybe it will be more expensive just because we would have to buy new ticket. So this is how I listen to my intuition. And I really get these voices often right now, especially more I meditate and tap into the power of the higher consciousness. So I hope that this story will give you some example and maybe motivate you to really do connect with higher self and act on it. Thank you for listening, and don't forget, expect miracles every single day. Bye-bye.